Okay, so we're doing the molar mass lab. So what you're going to do is initially in the website will be open. You can do it split screen like this. You're just going to type in the chemical formula. So for the first one, it's just NaCl. So I just type it as I see it, and I hit calculate. And then notice it just pops up with all the information that I need right here. It gives me the mass percent. Hold on. Let's see if I can figure this out. Right here. So the percent composition of each element, the molar mass of each atom, the molar mass of the entire thing, and how much 1 gram is in moles. And that goes right in here into the table. And then the second example would be butane, which is C4H10. And even though they're not subscripts, you just type in the number like that and hit calculate, and it's going to pop out the same new things. Okay, so the first reaction we're looking at is carbon dioxide. We're just going to look at each of the pieces that are in here. And first thing I'll type in is like CO2 here, right? So C shift O2, calculate. Come on now, there we go. And then I'm just going to type it in. All right, CO2, 1 mole has a mass of 44.010 grams. 1 gram is equivalent to 0.023 moles. Percent by mass, you have 27.29% of carbon. Oxygen, you have 72.71%. And number of atoms, you have 1 and 2. And then mass of the atom would be 12.011 and 15.994. Okay, and then you're basically just doing that for all the compounds in here. It's doing the molar mass calculation for you. It's doing the percent composition calculation for you. Okay? And then in our second one, we have our, you're going to do 2 of these. Okay, you're going to do the molar mass and percent composition for each of them. So an example of water that I have up here is it is composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. I take the mass of the atom from the periodic table, multiply it across, I get 216, and then I add these in order to get my molar mass. And then I'm going to take my total, so percent by mass for H, my total, 2 from this column right here, divided by the molar mass. Same thing for oxygen, times 100% gives me my percent composition, just like we learned how to do. So you're going to do the percent composition for hydrogen, this should say hydrogen, sorry, and ammonia. Okay, for those 2 compounds, you're going to do the molar mass, and then you're going to upload. I would strongly suggest afterwards that you go back to our lab folder or our folder from today and just do a little bit more molar mass and percent composition calculation stuff. Okay, next week we just have our short little review over the unit, and then we're good to go. All right, guys.